để du lịch nâng cao chất lượng dịch vụ và đẹp. Thoải mái, an toàn, đảm bảo quyền lợi của quý khách. Tổ tiếp viên trên tàu chúng tôi đề nghị quý khách cùng thực hiện một số nội dung liên quan sau đây. 1. Quy định về vận chuyển.
Ladies and gentlemen, the train takes us to Can Hoa, a coastline province in south of central Vietnam. It is a marvelous natural architecture. Cam Ranh Bay, a wonderful seaport 60 kilometers from Nha Trang. 250 sea miles from Cam Ranh, Chung Sa Island is located at the eastern pole of Vietnam, where it receives the earliest sunrise in the country. Nha Trang is a city center with a population of over 200,000 people. It is a beautiful city with good weather.
Ladies and gentlemen, the train has taken you to the Nha Trang station. This is the last station of our journey.
After Halong Bay in July 2003, the Club of Most Beautiful Bays in the World officially recognized Nha Trang as one of 29 most beautiful port bays in the globe. Staying in Nha Trang, you will enjoy cool days with full of sea wind on the long, ideal sand beach reserved for this land by nature. You can visit Hong Che, Hong Chong, Chi Nguyen Aquarium, Institute for Oceanology, Van Phong Bay, and many beautiful landscapes such as Ducklet, Kwanagar Tower, etc. The 411-kilometer railroad from Saigon to Nha Trang was built in 1901 and completed in September 1936. For the time being, together with North, South, Tong Nha trains, the railroad branch is exploiting the high-quality blue train from Saigon to Nha Trang to bring local and foreign passengers to the two major cities and also the two famous tourist sites in Vietnam.
Our talent troop sincerely to say thank you and wish you have good health and happiness. Saigon, a talent troop, are looking forward to serving you in the next trains. Goodbye.